Make a great choice today with 2015 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, one cargo area light. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.